Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran, and we begin tonight with a deeply sad story. The entertainment industry saddened as dancehall artist Kiprich and his partner Kizzy are mourning the loss of their newborn baby after a difficult and public journey following the child's premature birth. The couple had openly shared their struggles in recent weeks, keeping supporters updated as they faced medical challenges, long days of uncertainty, and an emotional fight filled with hope and prayer. The heartbreaking outcome has sent shockwaves throughout the dancehall fraternity and beyond, with an outpouring of condolences and messages of strength from fans and fellow artists alike. And we'd like to extend our thoughts and prayers to Kiprich and Kizzy. Now, dancehall just hit a major milestone. Idonia has officially landed his first ever Billboard entry with the explosive track Boom Body, Boom Body, a powerhouse collaboration alongside global icons Shaggy and Akon. The high-energy anthem is shaking charts and proving that Idonia's reach now extends far beyond the Caribbean, marking a defining moment in his career. It's a massive win for dancehall on the world stage and a clear signal that Idonia is here, louder and bigger than ever. On the international scene, it's a headline-grabbing moment that's sparking conversation. Nicki Minaj has revealed she is finalizing paperwork for her U.S. citizenship after receiving what is being called a Trump Gold Card, a special immigration-related card promoting by U.S. President Donald Trump that can expedite permanent residency and the path to citizenship. The Trinidad-born rapper shared a photo of the card on social media and thanked Trump, calling him "my wonderful, gracious, charming president," while also referring to herself as his #1 fan. Now, this announcement has ignited buzz across pop culture and politics alike, with fans and critics weighing in on her evolving public profile and what this means for her future as an artist. Skittish and artist Byron Messiah has secured another accolade in Canada. This after Taliban's 2, his 2023 collaboration with Burna Boy was certified gold by Music Canada on Wednesday, January 28. His solo version of the track was previously certified gold by Music Canada back in September of 2023. Now, nearly 2.5 years later, the Burna Boy remix has crossed the same threshold of 40,000 sales and streaming equivalents in the country. Taliban's 2 peaked at number 99 on the Billboard Hot 100, making Messiah the first artist from St. Kitts and Nevis to enter the U.S. all-genre chart. That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.